Welcome to our tutorial on how to open a native app in Power Apps. Today, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to open a native app from your Canvas app using the launch function. So let's get started. Firstly, identify the native app that you want to open from your Canvas app. Make sure that it is installed on your device. Then, on your Canvas app, add the required components. Like here, for the demonstration, I have created a demo Canvas app. Then add a button or an action in your Canvas app. This will serve as the trigger to execute the launch function and open the native app. Like here, these images, when clicked, will open to the respective applications. You can use the same way to fulfill your requirements as well. So select the component, go to the onSelect property of this component, and here add the launch function. Use the launch function with the appropriate parameters to specify the native app that you want to open. Here, we will add the name of the application that we want to launch. You can find the URI names or the scheme names of the application with the help of this blog by itechtics.com. It contains a list of URI commands that you can use to launch specific Windows application. Like here, I will copy the command for Paint 3D application and will paste it in the parameters of this component. In the same way, I can do for the other components as well. And also you can do the same for web pages as well. Select the component, go to the onSelect property of the component, and in the launch function, just write the URL of the web page and you're good to go. Now save the application that you have created. Now let us test the application. Click on the play button, and here I can see the site is trying to open the Paint 3D application. I will click on open, and here the application gets opened. And there you have it. By following these steps and understanding the specifics of the launch function, you can seamlessly open a native app from your Canvas app in Power Apps.